In this video, I'm going to be making amends. In our previous isometric drawing video, I would have told you all that I made an error with the dimensions, with the length of the isometric block. And after uploading the video, I said to myself, it's not good that I did that, and I should go back and fix it. So in this video, you will see me stretching the isometric block. You will see me stretching the isometric block. So here we go. So what I did first of all was I copied the block from the previous drawing because I didn't want to mess up this one. So I used the copy command, and I'll try to remember to link it below. But if you go through my videos, you'll see how to use the copy command. Right, so here we have our copy of the block, and I'm going to take off the construction lines layer. Taking off that layer because I'm not going to be adjusting that in this drawing, and I don't want it to confuse us. So I'm removing lines that I won't need. And our block was short by 15 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a 30-degree line, 15 millimeters long, and I'm just going to make some copies. We need 3 of it. Good. So these are the lines that we will insert into our drawing and get the correct length. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's raining in my area right now, and it's absolutely wonderful. I dropped a vertical line here. I'm just gonna trim off this base. The trim command was also covered in a previous video. How to use the trim command. It is one of my favorite commands to use this is our new diagonal, and I'm zooming in here so that I can ensure that I connect it at the correct point. And that is very important. Doing the voiceover. So this is it. This is the final drawing. This is it, amended. This is how you do it, and this is how you approach other isometrics. Please like and subscribe if you learned something today.